Hi everyone, I hadn't intended on making a video today. I know it's been a long time since my last one, but I just thought that this is something that I needed to say. People often say to me, you know, as an atheist, surely if you don't believe in God, then what do you believe in? Well, the answer to that is nothing, you know, not nothing, but science, you know, reason, things that are actually real. But without God, how do is there no, you know, what do I believe in? There's no meaning to my life. People say, but you've only got to look at the world we live in to see that it's beautiful, to see that it must have been made by something, because how could something as beautiful as this just happen? But, I mean, I'm looking out at this fantastic stormy weather at the moment, and I'll hopefully include a few photos at the end of this video, just so you can see what a fantastic evening it is here at 1:30 in the morning on the south coast. In the rain and the weather and the tide's high and everything. And you know what? I think the fact that this all just happens without anyone needing to make it happen, without any control, makes it just so much more beautiful. I know that it was Douglas Adams that said, is it not enough to see that the garden is beautiful without having to believe there are fairies at the bottom of it as well? And that's so true, because if it was created, then it's a bit shit really, because look at all the problems. You know, we have earthquakes, they're not good, but how are they beautiful? But the stuff that is beautiful is so much more fantastic for the fact that it is all here by chance. Thank you, good night. It's typical, the moment I start recording, the waves stop, I turn around to tell you this, and there's a big fuck off wave. Hello everybody. Hi. It's actually zoomed in quite a way, so you probably can't see anything.